Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the WebSSH app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. WebSSH is a terminal client designed for iOS that allows users to connect securely to remote servers via SSH, SFTP, or even HTTP. It's built for developers, sysadmins, and tech professionals who need mobile access to their servers, offering features like private key authentication, terminal customization, and connection bookmarks. The app also supports port forwarding, clipboard integration, and password saving for quick re-access. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app runs smoothly and connects quickly to most SSH servers, even on mobile networks. Users appreciate the clean interface, easy connection setup, and the ability to manage files directly through SFTP. It's especially handy when you need to fix something on the go or check logs without using a laptop. The font resizing and color themes also help tailor the experience. That said, it's not perfect. Some users report minor glitches when handling multiple sessions or switching between apps. A few features like terminal splitting or advanced scripting are missing, which may limit power users. And since it's an iOS-only app, Android users will need an alternative. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, WebSSH is a solid choice for professionals who need secure remote server access from their iPhones or iPads. It delivers on core SSH features, looks clean, and performs reliably. If you're a developer or admin often working away from your desk, this app can definitely come in handy. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.